Good day, Mom and Sir. My name is Angeli Fabro, Angel for short. I am 37 years old. I am married. I have 4 kids, 3 boys and 1 girl. I am college level. I finished my course in caregiver with NC2. I have 2 years working experience in government hospital here in the Philippines as nursing attendant. I have 2 years working experience in Singapore as domestic helper. I've been taking care of 2 kids and 2 adults. I do also the household chores. I am pet lover. I love singing. I am kind, honest. I am hardworking. Mom, Sir, I will promise to do my job well and promise to take care of your kids and treat them just like my own. I hope to see you soon. Thank you.